Hello, this is Mary from iChemLabs. Let's learn about using ChemScribble to search PubChem. ChemScribble is a desktop software for hand-drawn chemical structures and schemes. Using a stylus, you can scribble your chemistry in the stylus canvas. Your strokes are interpreted chemically and displayed in real time in the interpretation panel above. When the displayed content is acceptable to you, the chemical data can be exported to external tools and databases, such as PubChem, for additional investigation and research. The integration of PubChem in ChemScribble allows you to easily submit structures for queries in the world's largest collection of freely accessible chemical information. You can search by structure for chemical and physical properties, biological activities, safety and toxicity information, patents, literature citations, and more. After scribbling your query of a single structure or multiple structures, go to the Export toolbar above the Interpretation panel and press the PubChem button. This opens a PubChem structure search window where you can preview your query. You will see your structure or structures to be searched. Underneath is a drop-down menu where you can select your search type. Identity searches for records that are identical to your chemical structure query. Similarity searches for records that are structurally similar to your query structure. Substructure searches for chemical structures that are made up of your input structure pattern. In other words, it returns superstructures that contain your query substructure. Conversely, superstructure searches for chemical structures that comprise your specified query structure. Said differently, it returns the substructures that make up your query superstructure. Last, 3D similarity searches for chemical structures with 3D conformers that are structurally similar to your chemical structure query. With the search parameters defined, the search is ready to be executed. Press the search button to do so. Your browser will open with your search results. Additional methods for exporting chemical data from ChemScribble can be accessed in the Export toolbar or found in the File, Interfaces submenu. Now you know how to scribble and submit structural queries from ChemScribble to PubChem. Thanks for watching.